Hey there! Welcome back to Elite Service Masters channel. Today we're diving into an essential topic for every homeowner and renter: the top 10 qualities to look for in a handyman. Whether you've got a leaky faucet, a broken fence, or a do-it-yourself project, finding the right handyman can make all the difference. So, let's get started. The first quality on our list is experience and expertise. You want someone who's seen it all and fixed it all. An experienced handyman will know how to tackle a wide range of problems and how to do it efficiently. It's like hiring a superhero who's fought every villain in the book. Look for someone with a robust portfolio and plenty of references. Next up is attention to detail. A great handyman is meticulous and doesn't cut corners. You want someone who will notice that slightly loose screw or that tiny crack in the wall. Think of it like this: if your handyman were an artist, you'd want a Michelangelo, not a Jackson Pollock. Third on our list is reliability and punctuality. Nothing is more frustrating than a no-show or someone who's constantly late. A dependable handyman will respect your time and your schedule. You're looking for someone like a Swiss watch, always on time and incredibly reliable. A top-notch handyman needs excellent problem-solving skills. Sometimes a job could be more straightforward, and things can get tricky. It would help if you had someone who can think on their feet and develop creative solutions. Imagine MacGyver with a toolbox. That's the problem-solving prowess you're after. Communication is key. Your handyman should be able to explain what needs to be done, how they'll do it, and why it's necessary. They should also be open to your questions and provide clear, concise answers. It's all about understanding each other and ensuring everyone's on the same page. Honesty and transparency are crucial. You want a handyman who's upfront about costs, timelines, and the scope of work. No one likes hidden fees or unexpected delays. It's like enjoying an accurate weather forecast, not one that tells you it's sunny when there's a hurricane outside. A great handyman is versatile. They should have a broad skill set to handle various tasks around the house. From plumbing to painting, electrical work to carpentry, versatility is a hallmark of an excellent handyman. Think of them as the Swiss Army knife of home repairs. Next, let's talk about good reviews and references. In the internet age, checking a handyman's reputation is easier than ever. Look for someone with glowing reviews and positive feedback from previous clients. It's like checking Rotten Tomatoes before watching a movie. You want to avoid duds. Proper licensing and insurance are number 9 on our list. This isn't just a bonus, it's a necessity. A licensed handyman means they've met certain standards and qualifications, and insurance protects you in case something goes wrong. It's like choosing a restaurant with a health inspection certificate. You know they're up to code. Finally, let's talk money. Reasonable pricing. While you don't want to go for the cheapest option, you don't want to break the bank. Look for a handyman who offers fair prices for quality work. It's all about finding that sweet spot between cost and value, like finding the perfect balance on a seesaw. And there you have it, folks, the top 10 qualities to look for in a handyman. By keeping these qualities in mind, you'll be well on your way to finding someone who can tackle any job with professionalism and skill. Thanks for tuning in to Elite Service Masters. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for maintaining your home. See you next time.